The Ministry of National Security is being deliberate, coordinated and dynamic in rolling out innovative measures to prevent crime and provide for a safer Jamaica. Reducing violent crimes is among its top priorities for the 2015-2016 fiscal year.
Violent crime is destroying lives, destroying families, destroying communities, and if not defeated, will destroy or certainly severely impact the prospects for our country.
As part of its strategy to curtail violent crimes, the National Security Ministry took steps in October and November 2015 to boost the capacities of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) and the Jamaica Defence Force (JDF). In October, the JCF Marine Division and JDF Coast Guard got over a dozen new inshore and offshore patrol and intercept boats to better patrol Jamaica's coastline.
We're grateful to our local and international partners who have contributed to this critical aspect of crime fighting.
In November, the ministry added to the JCF's mobility with the addition of 64 new vehicles. The Jamaica Defence Force, meanwhile, received 3 new Protected Mobility Vehicles (PMVs), bringing its total numbers to 9. The armoured Thales Bushmaster PMVs will form the backbone of a newly developed Protected Mobility Vehicle Squadron in the JDF, enabling the force to safely deploy soldiers to any location in Jamaica, regardless of the physical threat or terrain they may encounter.
This squadron represents the first reinvestment in that capability for the JDF in decades. Formal commissioning of that capability will occur at a later date.
November 2015 also marked the start of the JCF's annual Surge Operation, which calls for increased police presence in major public spaces leading into and during the festive season. At the same time, the ministry sought to crack down on lottery scamming. An anti-lottery scamming campaign called Do the Math was launched. It's designed to connect the dots and show the corrosive impact that scamming has on Jamaica and Jamaicans.
For this campaign, we will be targeting audiences, especially those in Area 1, with radio and TV ads, billboards, school interventions, posters, and community talks, bringing the message that #lottery scamming kills. Our aim is to create a social environment that rejects any assertion that scamming is a victimless crime. There is a seat at the table for all well-thinking Jamaicans, and we welcome Jamaicans from all sectors and views to work together with us on this challenge.
During a meeting of the Partnership for Jamaica Council in November, a decision was taken to establish a Rule of Law Working Group. This group's members will be drawn from the Council, which includes representatives of major organizations and interest groups in the society. Vice President of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, Howard Mitchell, was named chairman.
This working group will be similar to the EPOC and ESET teams, which are successfully assisting in the areas of the economy and energy. This initiative will assist in improving participation and accountability, as well as provide a more objective and authoritative assessment of developments in this complex area of crime and violence.
Government in action, equipping the security forces and employing innovative strategies to interrupt and prevent the spread of crime, while encouraging more Jamaicans to reject the lure of criminal acts and organizations.